Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the applicability domain of the catalogic biodegradation models. One of the OECD principles for acceptance of QSR models is the presence of model applicability domain. The prediction is more reliable when the external chemical belongs to the applicability domain of the model. This means that the chemical is similar to the training set chemicals correctly predicted by the model. These chemicals are forming the good space of the model. A multi-layer approach is used in OASIS software to build the applicability domain. The domain of the catalogic biodegradation models consists of 3 layers: parametric, structural, and mechanistic domain layers. The parametric domain layer includes the ranges of variation of critical physicochemical parameters such as hydrophobicity, molecular weight, and water solubility extracted from the training set chemicals formed the good space of the model. The calculated log KOW, molecular weight, and water solubility for the target chemical, limonene, are displayed on the right side. These values fall into the ranges of variation of the PhysChem parameters extracted from the training set chemicals. As a result, the chemical is in the parametric domain layer. Let's move further. The structural domain layer represents the collection of molecular features extracted from the training set chemicals correctly predicted by the model. Currently, the atom-centered fragments are used as such molecular features. There are 3 types of atom-centered fragments. The correct fragments are extracted from the training set chemicals formed the good space of the model. The incorrect fragments are extracted from the training set chemicals not correctly predicted by the model. They are forming the bad space of the model. Of course, there are fragments that are unknown. These fragments are not represented among the training set chemicals. Let's expand the section with correct fragments. The center of the fragment is colored blue and its neighbors are colored red. The target chemical, limonene, has 100% correct atom-centered fragments. This means that it belongs to the structural domain layer. Let's have a look at another chemical. Obviously, it is out of applicability domain. We need to figure out the reason for out-of-domain prediction. We can easily see that it belongs 90% to the structural domain layer and has 10% unknown fragments. Highlighted fragment is the unknown fragment. The last layer is the mechanistic domain layer. It indicates the availability of transformations which could theoretically fully mineralize the query chemical. In case the full mineralization is not achieved with the available transformations in the metabolic simulator, then the chemical is considered to be out of mechanistic domain layer. In our case, all transformations for full mineralization of the target chemical are available in metabolic simulator. The chemical should meet all requirements of the domain layers in order to be classified as belonging to their model applicability domain. Belonging to the applicability domain does not always guarantee a correct prediction. However, in this case the prediction is considered reliable. Alternatively, out-of-domain predictions should not be necessarily considered as incorrect. However, they are less reliable. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in Catalogic, please contact us. The links will be below.